Exactly. We know that Reddit sort of started that GameStop frenzy to crush the hedge funds. But we also know that some hedge funds cashed in as well. Let's go to Leslie Picker for that side of this complex story. Leslie.
Yeah, Tyler, that whole narrative of the little guys taking on the big guys, well, it got a little muddied this week. Retail traders, as Kate was mentioning earlier, they were actually not big participants in GameStop. They were net sellers last Tuesday through Thursday as well, according to Citadel Securities. So who was the one buying? That's the big question right now. Well, much of that activity was driven by hedge funds covering their shorts and other hedge funds riding the momentum higher and subsequently lower. The Journal reporting earlier this week, and we've also confirmed that one fund called Senvest Management has been long GameStop for a few months and crystallized $700 million gains when the stock hit its peak. BlackRock, too, which as recently as last week owned 13% of the company, may be sitting on significant paper gains, even despite the recent ups and downs. Some shorter-term institutional investors, albeit computer or human, whose positions have not been disclosed, and honestly, they may never be disclosed, are also said to be traversing this stock on the long side. But still, as we've been reporting, those who were short, notably Melvin Capital and Maple Lane Capital, facing significant losses from the activity, guys.
You know, Leslie, this is really, to me, for the hedge funds, it's really a lesson in risk management and how exposed as a percentage of your portfolio you're willing to be in any single issue or position, right?
Right. Well, risk management always comes down to statistics. And if you think about it, what's the percentage chance that any specific stock you're going to be short is going to go up 1,000%? I'm not a statistician. I did TA statistics in college, but I would say it's a very, very, very small chance if you're kind of thinking about it from a risk management standpoint. Now, we know after last week there are certainly lessons to be had about risk management and, you know, how levered you can be and how, what your short exposure is to certain stocks, especially those that could easily be targeted for a squeeze. That is something that a lot of people in the hedge fund industry are certainly reckoning with and certainly drawing their conclusions and lessons and reshaping their portfolios as a result.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.